In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start making $100 every single day on YouTube. If you come over to Google and type in requirement for YouTube monetization 2022, you can see right here that you will need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours in the last 12 months. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to attain these subscribers and this watch time so that you can start making passive income on YouTube. If you go over to YouTube and type in rain sound effect, you can see these channels right here are getting millions of views. You can see this one right here, 2,000 views every single hour. You can see over 60 million views on this video already. You can see this one over 120 million views on this video, and it's still getting 1,000 views every hour, even though it was posted almost a decade ago. You can see this one was posted 2 years ago, and you can see this one is a live video right here. Okay, you can see live 24/7 rain for sleeping. Over 6,000 people are currently watching these videos right here, which means this niche has a lot of audience. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to tap into this niche and start making money on YouTube. So if I take this channel right here that is getting 2,000 views per hour, and you want to come over to this website called socialblade.com, and you want to paste the name of the channel in this box right here, and if I click on search, you can see this is the channel right here, Relaxing Ambience ASMR. So if I scroll down right here, you can see this channel is making between $744 to $11,900 every single month. So let's say this channel is just making $10,000 every month. So if we divide the earnings by 30 days, you can see this channel is making at least $300 every single day. So now I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video from start to finish. To make this type of videos is one of the easiest things to do to make money online. So you want to come over to this website called freesound.org, and you want to search for rain. Okay, so if you search for rain, you can see right here over 8,460 results right here. Okay, you can also come over to pixabay.com, and you want to scroll to this sound effect, and you want to type in rain in the search bar. You can see right here there are a lot of sound effects you can download for absolutely free right here. So now I'm just going to be clicking on this download button right here. Okay, as you can see now, it's downloading to my PC right away. So the next thing you want to do now, you are going to need a footage, and you can get it from pexels.com. So all you just need to do is type in rain in the search bar right here. So once you do that, you want to filter to videos. You can see you have over 1,600 videos that you can use for absolutely free. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this video right here as an example. So all I just need to do is click on this download button right here. As you can see, that has also been downloaded to my PC. So now you want to come over to Google, and you want to type in best free editing software for PC. You are going to need an editing software to combine this video you downloaded from pexels.com and this sound effect that you downloaded from Pixabay, and you want to make a video with those footage. Okay, so whichever of this software you want to use, all you just need to do is download the software. Okay, so for me, I am going to be using Camtasia right here. So I have Camtasia downloaded to my PC already. So basically all I just need to do, once I've downloaded Camtasia, so all I just need to do now is to import the video and the sound effect. So to do that, all you just need to do is type in Ctrl-I. So once you type in Ctrl-I on your PC, you can see right here, this is the footage I downloaded. Okay, so I'm just going to import the footage. So I'm going to click on Ctrl-I again, and I'm going to import the sound effect. Okay, so now that we have both sound effect and footage imported, you want to drag the footage and you want to drop it in the timeline right here. So once you drop the footage in the timeline, as you can see, this is the footage right here. So you can click on this plus button right here to enable you view the timeline better, or you can drag this button right here. Okay, so now as you can see, this is our footage right here. All right, so if I hover through this footage right here, you can see this is the footage. So the next thing now, you want to drag the sound effect and you want to paste it underneath this footage. You can see now the total is 9 minutes right here. So what you want to do from here, you can see the sound effect is longer than the footage. So now you want to click on this footage right here. You want to click on Ctrl C and Ctrl V on your PC. So once you do that, it's going to duplicate the footage for you. So now you are going to paste the footage right here. Okay, so you want to loop the footage. Okay, so now I am going to do that until we have full 9 minutes. Okay, and now you can see we have a 9-minute footage and a 9-minute sound effect of rain. Okay, so basically this is all you need to do. You want to duplicate the footage and make sure it extends to the exact minute of the sound effect. So basically now the next thing you want to do now, you want to duplicate this until you have 1 hour. Okay, and I'm going to explain the reason why you need to do this. Okay, so now all you just need to do is highlight both the footage and the sound effects, and you want to click on Ctrl C and Ctrl V on your PC. You can see now we have 18-minute duration right here. So you want to repeat this until you have 60 minutes right here, which is going to be equal to an hour. All right, so once you've done that, all you just need to do is come over to this export section and you want to click on this. So once you click on that, you want to scroll down and you want to make sure you select MP4 only and up to 1080p. So once you click on that, you want to click on next and you want to give your project a name. So for me, I'm just going to be taking rain sound effects. And now, so once you've given it a name, all you just need to do is click on finish and your footage is going to start rendering, as you can see right here. So basically what you want to do from here, you want to wait for the footage to completely render. Okay, so while the footage is rendering, you want to go over to YouTube and you want to create a YouTube channel and you want to go over to the upload section to upload that video. And also, if you remember right here, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. So the reason why you want to make an hour-long video is because if 1,000 people watch 1 hour of your video, that is 1,000 hours right there. So basically all you just need to do is upload 4 videos with at least 1 hour duration and you've reached your 4,000 hours watch time. So getting the subscribers is easier, but getting the watch time is more difficult. So this is the reason why you need to make sure you make at least an hour-long video, so that all you just need is 1,000 views to reach 1,000 hours. And once you have 4 videos that is up to an hour long, it's going to be easier for you to reach the 1,000 hours faster. And once you reach the 1,000 hours faster, you will be able to add ads in your video and start making money on YouTube. Okay, so basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any useful information, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.